Ever wondered why ink fingerprinting sometimes doesn't go as planned? In this video, we'll uncover the common issues, their causes, and tips for perfect prints every time. Here are the most common problems encountered in ink fingerprinting, which can affect the quality and usability of the prints. Smudging. This issue is often caused by applying too much ink or by excessive movement while rolling the fingers. It results in unclear and messy prints, faint prints. These occur due to dry skin or insufficient ink application. Dry skin can prevent the ink from adhering properly, while too little ink results in barely visible prints. Over-inking. Applying too much ink can lead to a loss of ridge details and overall clarity, making the fingerprint unusable for identification purposes. Misalignment. This happens due to poor card positioning or incorrect finger placement. Misaligned prints can make it difficult to match fingerprints accurately. Here's how to ensure clean and accurate fingerprints. Achieving perfect fingerprints is crucial for identification and security purposes. Follow these steps to get the best results. Prep the skin. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and water to remove any dirt or oils. Dry them completely with a clean towel to avoid any moisture that could smudge the prints. Use lotion to reduce dryness, but make sure there's no residue. Apply a small amount of lotion to keep the skin supple, but wait a few minutes to ensure it's fully absorbed before fingerprinting. Apply ink correctly. Use a thin, even layer of ink and test on scrap paper first. This ensures the ink is spread evenly and not too thick, which can cause smudging or unclear prints. Roll fingers properly. Roll from nail edge to nail edge in one smooth motion. This technique captures the full fingerprint pattern, ensuring all the unique ridges and details are recorded. Avoid lifting or pressing too hard. Gentle, consistent pressure is key to avoid distorting the fingerprint. Lifting or pressing too hard can lead to incomplete or blurred prints. Use quality materials. High-quality ink pads and fingerprint cards make a huge difference. Investing in professional-grade materials ensures that the prints are clear and durable. Practice makes perfect. Try a few practice prints before official submissions. Practicing helps you get comfortable with the process and identify any issues that need to be corrected before taking the final prints. With these tips, you can avoid common mistakes that often lead to smudged or unclear fingerprints. By following our guidelines, you can achieve clean, accurate ink fingerprints every time, ensuring that your prints are always accepted and meet the required standards. For an in-depth guide, check out our comprehensive ebook titled Ink Fingerprinting, Causes and Recommendations. This ebook covers everything from the basics to advanced techniques. Purchase your copy today at PayHip to master the art of ink fingerprinting and avoid costly errors. Our ebook is packed with valuable insights and practical advice that will help you perfect your fingerprinting skills. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from our community, and your input helps us create better content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Your support helps us continue to provide high-quality content and tutorials.